hit that button. Okay, so what I want to say here is that put the mirror back. Let's see here. So today is, let's see here. Can you see there? Wait. It's today, that time. All right. It's today, that time. Okay. And want to see. I just hold this up to the radio here. Just want to show you. This is the model that I'm shipping out to New Zealand today, packing it today. And I'm going to turn it on and play it. So there it is. Works.
I do have hope.
That. And there's shortwave, and the other one, and AM. Okay. I just want to show you that.
Story doesn't look like Paulette's story that she just shared, but I think that
turn the radio off. Now, I want to show you this multi-diode adapter because I do not have a I don't have a specific 7.5 volt battery adapter, or well, I do, but let me unplug it. Okay, that's the whole point here. This works. Okay. Let's see here. So I'm sending this right here, which is already set up for the correct voltage and the correct the correct input to that. All right, so I have two of these, but I didn't anyway, because I don't have a 7.5. You understand this, right? I'm sending this along with this, and I just proved to you that it worked, and that's all I know. Now the second part of this is that I'm going to put this up here because let's see here. So now I want to move this camera down because I can only do so many things. Alright, so okay, so I'm looking at that. Let's see here. Okay, this is the one I'm shipping. Okay. This is the other shortwave model. This doesn't do anything. Nope, you can put power to the end. You can put batteries in it. It won't do a blooming thing. Okay. Lastly, this one here kind of sort of works on the cassette deck. Mind you, this one here works on the cassette deck, but if you put a tape in, you have to really fight with the buttons to get your tape back out. It doesn't really want to play because the tape belt is terribly old, and this one here is just not much better. It will play a tape barely, but again, you might have to fight with the buttons to get the tape to play correctly. But this is the AM/FM model. This is a shortwave model that doesn't have, or it doesn't work. Okay, and they're both still for sale. All right. So now, set these down. Okay, keep them separate. Then I want to turn this camera here, and see here. Turn this camera here, and I can't really. I don't know if I can zoom with this. Can I zoom with this? I'm trying to. Yeah, I can. Hey, there we go. Great. I didn't know I could zoom in a video of this, but that's as best I can get. Okay. So now I want to take this camera here, and I want to zoom in on my screen. Wait. Zoom in on my screen and try and get this one as best I can on the screen. Alright. Yeah, so that's pretty close. Is that the full screen? That's the, wait, yeah, there we go. That's close enough. Alright. So now, okay. I want to show you that, let's see here, open with. So here is the, what is this? This is the Toshiba 8900S that I've already packed out, and I want to show you how I packed it. Okay, so here it is. It looks like that. I was up with a flash. There's the input and all that. No flash, but oh well. There's the back of it. There's the, looks like that in the back. Okay. And there it is with the cord. Okay. Now I put the cord in. Okay, when I want to back up, I closed it up, Then I realized that I wanted to put the tuning knobs in there, but then I realized that there's holes in there and I don't want to lose those little pieces back inside the radio. So, and that's where those two pieces come from, okay? So then another picture, just trying to get a good view of the input and the voltage change thing and that sort of thing. So then I went and got some plastic, and I put the plastic around the knobs and I put it in there, okay, and then I closed it up, and then took one last picture of the, you know, the front of it here, which is, you know, your serial light, all that. You've seen all that before. This is a bit worn, but hey, it works, you know. There it is. That's what it looks like, what it would look like inside the box, okay. There it is, all nicely packed, okay. More bubble wrap and more, you know, stuff to protect it with. Closing it up. It's really in there. Now here is this one's working. See here, it's working, okay. And then here it again is that little thing I just held up to the camera that I'm going to include in packing this, alright? And I just proved to you in this little video that it does work. That's what it looks like. That's what it will look like in the box after I pack it up. Alright, and then here is the, whatever this is, the General Electric GE 3-6025B, okay? It looks like that. It looks like this on top. Wait, let me go back. Yeah, this got some scratched up deals. Can't do anything about that unless you're really in love with that, to try and take it apart and take these out and paint them and put them back in. But anyway, so there it is in the back, and then that's what the back looks like here. Let me zip into that if I can. There, it's a 6025B, okay? For any of you looking for the digital model of that. And here's the cord. Oh, I left the batteries in, oh well. And I wrapped, and then I started wrapping it up, putting it in a box, okay? And then here's the last picture. Here are again, this is the one that I've got powered up. I just powered up and played it for you. This one doesn't work, and well, anyway, and that one does. Well, anyway, I just explained all that. Okay, and that's it. So just turn that off. That's all I wanted to say here. Good day, bye-bye. Hope you, well, here I can zoom out with this. Just you zoom out. Alright, so zoom, 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 zoom. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to show you. Okay, yep. So let me take this, it's zoomed out, right? So here's the big box, the one I've already packed up, and I'm going to pack up the next one and this one here, and then put it out. Okay, so and you too. I'm going to just the big one, the medium-sized one, and the small one. Okay, so that's all we know. Good day, bye-bye. Having too much fun here. All right, so gotta go. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. Okay, so finish, and here, turn this one off.